the 6 EPL KONE modded by KONE traction lifts at Toowong Tower. Now all of them have completed surgery. Now I'm trying to get all 6. So I'll get lift 3 first. Blue Dewhurst US 95. Kathy. With the original DDA panel. That's the new one.
13th floor. 13th floor. Going down.
KMQC voice. We'll get another lift. We'll get another one. Blue Dewhurst US 95. Jeez, this thing's taking forever. Here we go, we'll take this one. We'll take lift 6.
Going down.
Now this one actually serves basement levels. Once again, that's the original DDA panel and that's the new one. This number 6.
Basement 2.
Here we are at B2.
Going up. Second floor. Going up.
Go to 4 and get another.
Fourth floor.
Is this one?
Going down.
That's this one done. We'll get lift number 2 next, the newest one there is. We'll go up to 13. New LCD indicator. That's the new DDA panel. That's the original one and the new one.
13th floor.
Now all that's left, so that's half of the lift's done. We'll get another one. This one came here again. So we'll take it to level 9. I do like the
11th floor.
Actually, we may hop out here. take another one. We'll take this one. Take lift 5. Then we'll go to level 9 and swap to another.
13th floor.
Maybe. Now all that's left is to get that one or that one. Because all the lifts have completed the surgery. Which one could it be?
Going down.
Maybe. We'll get the lifts that I haven't got yet.
12th floor. Going down.
This has got the generic square lanterns.
Going down.
Here we go. Get this one next. Which level? For GL.
Seventh floor.
Stopping at level 7.
Updated disclaimers tomorrow as well.
Cool.
Yeah. Hillary.
Ground floor.
Now all that's left is to get lift 1.
Going down.
Here it is.
Going down.
That's the first one that got complete with the surgery. KMQC voice.
Going up.
Honeycomb C3510. We'll go to ground and end it.
Ground floor.
URG. And that's it.